Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how you can create EFS elastic file system and attach with the EC2 Linux Ubuntu instance. So let's get started. First open your AWS management console. Here just log into your console. Here you will click on services and create a EFS file. Here we will create file system. Name that file, but it's optional if you create a name. So I will give the name as demo EFS. I will change the availability and durability to one zone and click on create. As you can see, our EFS has been created. So now we will launch our Linux Ubuntu instance. Go back to EC2. Click on launch instance. First here we will search for Ubuntu because we are creating Linux Ubuntu instance. So these are all available IME files. So create anyone you want. Here we will do some further settings like a security group. First we will create a new key pair. Name that key pair. Click on create pair. Here we will add a rule. Here we will add a new security group rule, which is NFS, because it's necessary for connecting the instance. I am just changing my security group name. Now click on launch instance. Okay, our instance is ready. So okay, our instance is ready. Now we will connect this instance with the EFS. For that, we will create a key. Click on load, go to downloads file, and change that to all. Here you can see the key pair which we downloaded. Load here, and our key has been created. Save this key as a private key. I just name it as demo and save. Now we will access through Quotidian as a Ubuntu user, because we create a instance as a Linux Ubuntu. So we will log in as Ubuntu. First we will use the sudo command and grant the access as a root user. Now type apt get update. Okay. Now we will install NFS -common. Type yes or Y. It's take a few minutes. Alright, our NFS client has been installed. Now we will run some commands, and I will also give all the commands in description. Okay, you just follow my steps. Create a new folder with the make directory or folder. Now we just change our directory as MNT. So this is our path where we are now, /root/MNT and /src. Now it's time to connect EFS file with the instance. So select EFS file and click on view details. Here we will attach. Okay, mount we will attach via IP. So just copy this command and paste in your terminal. Here we we will cut some portion of this command. Here we will attach also the path where we are now. Now that's it. We successfully connected with the EFS and the instance. Thank you so much for watching.